Hello everyone, this is Ishwar Mato, and in this tutorial video I'll be showing you how we can do the dimensioning of a 3D model using Catia V5 software. So let us get started. So this is the 3D model for which we are going to do the drafting. So enter into the drafting workbench. We need to go start mechanical design, then expand the sub option, go to drafting, select your seat size. Okay, so we'll be taking A3 ISO. Click OK. So in my last video I've shown you how we can take the basic views. So again we will doing the same thing. First we will take the front view. So already we click on the front view option. Now go to Windows, select the part and select the face for which we are taking front view. Drag it to proper place. This text, and in my system the shortcut keys won't working. So I will be using the same mouse function. Just right click and hide and show. Yeah, so we are done for the front view. Now again we will take some other views. So go for this projection views and just move your mouse cursor in a required direction for which you are going to take the respective view. Now delete the same text again, top view this. Now we are ready to do the dimension now. So for this we have option dimension here. So if you want, we have seen so many sub options are present in Catia V5. So we need to drag it in the proper place. Yeah. So for taking basic dimensions like length, width and heights, we will using this option. So double click for multiple views. Here we will going to take the horizontal. So this one is just horizontal. Height. This one we will taking a vertical one. And this side again vertical one. Okay. Even you want, you can highlight this intersection point when we are not getting the point from which we are take the dimension. Now to exit this command, press escape key. Now for align dimension, what we need to do is just go to that tab, that dimension, right click, line up and select the reference line from which we are going to take the space. So here it's showing a 10. Yeah, it will be okay. Click yes. Same thing we can do for other dimension also. Just enter it. So we have taken these three dimension. In the top view we have to take the pad direction, how much is the distance. So it will be 100. Again right click on that dimension, line up and select the line from which we are going to use this reference option. Now click OK once. Yeah. So for this slot we are going to do the dimension. So for that purpose we can define these two dimensions in any views. Again we have same issue since shortcut keys won't working in my system, so that's why I'm using this mouse option and just right click, hide and show. Here we have one more point, just highlight and right click hide and show. Yeah. So for giving the slot dimension we can define in the front view and top view also. So better I will take this from top view. So here I have taken one dimension 40. Again I need to define this width. So for lineup, press Ctrl key, select these both dimension and right click line up and select the line from which it will take reference. Click OK. So it's showing 10, okay, done. Now we need to define the depth in the front view. So like this we can do it. We need to move the arrow direction, and if you want to decrease this precision value, so what you need to do is just click once, highlight this dimension and go to here. So we can see here the dimension, sorry, precision value is 0.01. Instead of that we can take 1. Again we will do the same thing, line up, click OK. And here I think we need one more dimension to define. So for that, select this line and select this intersection point and define this dimension. Okay. Yes. So here we can see some these are dimension which are going to be used, sorry, for making this part. And little bit we have to move this views so that it will cover all the portion of our sheet. Now we will take the isometric view. So just click on isometric view of that option, go to part and select the page. Yeah. Click once on the sheet, take this text and define the scale value. Let us take 0.5. So this is how we can do the drafting. One more thing we can do is we can insert the title block. So let me show you how you can enter the title block in Catia drafting. So for that, go to edit, switch background, then go to insert, drawing, frame and title block. So we have option sample 1, sample 2. Even you have some other customized templates or title blocks, you can also insert here. Now click OK. So as you can see, title block is already inserted. If you want to edit inside it, you can do it. I just double click on the particular text. Let us write Catia like this. If you want to enter the number, it's done. Now to exit from this window, again you need to go in the edit, come to working views. If you want to hide these outer boxes of particular views, what you need to do is, again we have to uncheck this icon, display view frame as specified for each views. So it's done. So this is the simple dimension we can do in Catia V5. So in my next upcoming video, I will be showing you how we can do some complicated dimensioning, like we have to give some datum features and tolerances also. So for saving, so suppose we are going to save this file in TIFF mode. So go to file, save as, expand the sub option and find types of TIFF. TIFF name 123. So I'll be saving in my desktop. So by mistake, if I have missed some dimension here, so then please let me know in my description box. So minimize this icon, and here we need to go for our saved image 123. So This is how our 3D, sorry, drafting sheet looks like this. And after that, you can take the print, and our drafting is almost done. So in my next video, I'll be showing you some more dimensioning options and how we can define the precision and tolerances in Catia V5 software. So thank you for watching for this video, guys. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, this is Ishwar Mathur, and in today's video we will do some drafting of Catia 3D model. So let us get started. So to enter into the drafting workbench, go to Start, Mechanical Design and Drafting. Click OK, and this is our 3D model for which we are going to do the drafting for it. So go to drafting workbench once again, and first we will take the front view. So what you need to do is select this front view icon and go to Window, go to Part, and select a page face. So this will be our front view. At this axis, we don't require this axis now. So hide it. So we need to do the scaling for this view. Take 1:2. There, it's nice. Drag it to a proper place. Yes. Now we will take some other views of this. So what you need to do is expand this option and select this icon, projection views. This one will be our left side view. Delete this text. One thing I have forgotten to tell you is go to properties and activate this hidden and axis line. Again we need to do our front view also. So hidden line, axis line, click OK once, and we will take on. Already it came with axis and center line, so no need to activate it. Now it is better that we should also apply title block for it. So go to edit, seed background, then after go to insert, drawing, frame and title block, take sample one, click OK. Again, to enter into the drafting work mode, go to edit, working views here. Yes. Now we will take isometric views for it. So click this isometric view icon, go to Windows, Part, and select this face. And we need to do the scaling for it. Let us take 1:4. We have taken some basic views of that model. Now we will select one feature at a time and try to define all the dimension for it. First I am going to define this length value. Right click, line up. Again, take height value. So we have defined length and height. We need to define the pad value up to which it is pad in Catia. This one 30. Right click, properties, sorry, line up 10. Again, activate this left side view, right this axis. we'll define this width value for the second body, which is padded in this direction. Right click line up, click OK, and we need to define the height value for it. That's done. So almost we have given dimension for this part bodies. Now we will do the dimension for these holes and this elongated. So first we will go for this two holes, activate that particular view and hide this again. Select this icon, center line, select feature, so it will get the center line for it. Since it is symmetric about vertical axis, so we can also define the distance between these two holes. We have to define the height value on the top surface. Now we need to define the radius or diameter value. If you want, you can keep this dimension inside also, but many guys are preferring to keep the dimension outside of the feature. Now again with the lineup. So for this also we have given dimension. Now to define the position of these elongated holes, then we need to give the center mark for it. It's done. So first we will take the dimension in between these two elongated holes. Then after we will define the height value. Again we have to do the lineup for these two dimensions. So press Ctrl and select these two dimensions at a time. Right click, line up, select this outer line, click OK. Since it is symmetric about vertical axis, so we need to define the axis value. Yeah. So we got the axis value, drag it a little bit up in this direction and down also. Since we have a rib structure here, let me show you. Since we have a rib, and for standard parts we are not showing the hatching for it, and also I did not take the section view, so no need to worry about these hatchings. So for standard parts we are not doing the hatching, but we need to define the pad value or its length value up to where it is created. So either in the front or top you can define it. So let us take defining the front view. Again press Ctrl and select these two dimensions at a time. Right click, go to lineup and select this outer line. Till now we didn't mention that this dimension for it, elongated part. So it will be better that we should take the detail view so that it can be easily visible by the others also. So go to this icon detail, go to this circle and drag it to proper place. If you want, to keep this text, just drag it to the of it. To define this elongated part, first activate it. Give that center mode. Now to define this elongated hole, we will take the distance between these two center and we will define the radius value. You can do the line up for it. So check once, confirm whether we have done optimum dimension or not. Sometimes if we will give more dimension, so it will be difficult for a manufacturer. I need to create confusion to the manufacturer. Sorry. So we have this body. For that we have taken this name. We have defined height value. We have given this pad distance. Now for this body we have taken this 180 dimension. Okay. Since we already know the length value from here, we have given height 25. This one is okay. For hole we have given the distance between two center and its height from the top end. We have defined the diameter value. So that is also okay. And for this we have also given the center between these two elongated hole and the height also. I'm sorry, I think you people are also getting some background noises. So sorry for that. Yeah, one thing we have forgotten to define, it's repolishing from outer end. So define it here. Control and select this two dimension at a time. So our drafting is almost done for this parts. Again, if I have missed something in this drafting, so then please let me know in my comment box. And if you have any question or any feedback, then please do write in my comment box. So it will be helpful for me to grow in my channel. Have a nice day.